Okay, I'm not sure if anyone needs this additional training, but when the lawnmower's over here pouting, you open that gate wide, then you click home and start.
Start recharging.
And then you just watch. It kind of pauses there for a second while it figures out where it is. And then it drives home. Okay, bye. So there it is, finishing its journey to home, backing into its tiny garage. This Mammotion Luba 2 all-wheel drive 3000X. Listen, start charging. So it mows my front lawn, but it's outside the puppy gate. So, you know, it gets stuck there and I have to send it home. Bye.